Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to download or recover Play Store if it is deleted. It mostly happen in Vivo or Infinix mobile. There are two solutions. In first solution, go to mobile phone settings. Now scroll down and search an option of apps or app management. Click on this option, app management. Here you can see all your apps are here. There is no Play Store here. You have to simply click on Show System Process. Now you have to scroll down and search an option of Google Play Store. Go to very bottom. There will be an option of Google Play Store. Here you can see there is option of Google Play Store. You have to simply click here. You will show here enable option. If it is disabled, you have to simply click on that enable option and your Google Play Store will be installed again or it will be enabled. In second method, you have to go to any search browser and search there Google Play Store. You can simply search there Google Play Store or you can search Google Play Store APK. Click here in Google Play Store APK in search option. You have to simply click on its first website which you can see on your mobile screen. Click here. Now scroll down and there will be an option of download APK. Or you can go to bottom. Here you can see another option. You can download older version of Google Play Store from here. I have clicked on this download APK. Now scroll down again and click on fast download. Click here. When you click on this fast download, it will start downloading. Here you can see there is option of download anyway. It might be harmful. You have to simply click here. You can see in background the Google Play Store is downloading. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. When it will downloaded, you have to simply open it and you have to click on install option. Click here. Here you can see in bottom there is install option. Google Play